Hello everyone, my name is Razors1 and we're going to have a vlog. It's actually my first vlog and my uncle named Dennis, he's the one who is pushing me to go and have a content. Okay guys, hindi ko kaya pala magplastikan, hindi pa ako magaling ng English. But anyways, this is my first vlog and we are going to what's in my bag or bag raid. So this is my 16 inches bag. Parang binili ko dito I think 520. Dala na yung shipping fee sa Orange Shop. This is cute. Sobrang laki. And saan ko, ipakita ko na lang din yung picture kung gaano siya kaganda. Yan. So first, ito yung laman ng bag ko. So I hope hindi nyo mag-consider na weird ako kung bakit nandito ito sa bag ko. So first, I have my tissue kasi I love eating, I'm clumsy and medyo OCD din ako. So I have my tissue in my bag. Ganito kalaki. It's because ito yung lagi kong hinahanap sa bag ko. Second is my shade. So, this is my shade. Ewan ko kung bagay siya sa akin. Binili ko to sa Shein. I think this one is 100 pesos and this one I think is 120 pesos sa Orange Shop. So, let's try. So, ganito lang. So, where's the scent? So, actually, ito yung ginagamit ko kung pauwi na ako galing ng school kasi may mataray ako sa nag-shade ako. Hindi ko pinapansin. Charis! Joke lang, but anyways. Ito yung ginagamit ko, yung shades, if it's hot outside the school. So, the third is my water. This is my favorite water. Binigay ito ni Ate Nal sa Shahidi. Gift niya to sa akin Christmas. Thank you so much. So, naman gating ito binigay. And I'm very happy kasi sobrang nagamit ko talaga. She is very observant sa mga empleyado niya. And I hope she will continue give blessings to all employee. Thanks to Herba Monte. Bumili kayo ng siya guys. And the next one is, I have here my scientific calculator. Hindi ko pa binalik. Hiniram ko lang to sa kay Kuya JB. I think BSBA 3 siya. Hindi lang ako sure, nakalimutan ko. So, the next one is my umbrella. Nagamit ko to kapag hot. Nagagamit ko talaga. Sobrang nagagamit ko. Yung next naman is my wallet. Lahat ng katsyatsyan ko andito. And then, nagdadala din ako ng extra ID pen. So, this is my patungan ng phone or phone stand. This is all of my, hindi ko na ikakalat guys, but this is my, ako yung laging hiningaan ng papel ng classmate ko. So, this is my paper and this is my notebook. And then guys, nagbebenta din ako ng bahay kung gusto nyo magbili ng property dito sa Bacolod City. So, you can just contact me. And then, andito lahat ng research ko, yung mga papers at lahat-lahat ng documents. And this is one of the most favorite sa bag ko. So, this one is my wet wipes. So, this is my wet wipes. So, I just wanted to share, kung may meron ako nakikitang sticker na tag, tinatanggal ko, parang mannerism ko na siya. May alcohol, and thank you so much Riverside College kasi libre lang yung alcohol nyo, so lagi lang ako nag-refill. This is my powder, so tinanggal ko naman din uli yung sticker niya. This is my lip gloss na mumurahin. I just bought this for only 50 plus pesos. This one is the BLK. I bought this for 200, something 199. I forget. So this one is, ito, guys, tinanggal ko naman yung sticker. So tinanggal ko yung sticker. And my 2 ball pen. Isang ball pen, kasin ko. Yung isa nakita ko lang. So that's it. So ganito kalaki yung bag ko. Yan. Pati bata siguro mga pwede kong ilagay dito. So ilagay natin. So babalik ko lang siya. Para hindi ko na siya ilangan. So this is it. Dito ko babalik ko na siya. And guys, gusto ko din sanang i-share kung bakit ko to pinili na bag. It's because sa laptop na kasya yung, hindi lang ako sure. I think nasa 15 or 14 inches na laptop yung mga kasya dito sa bag. So yung kagandahan dito, so pwede mo siyang ma-zipper or malalak. Ayan. See, so nalagay na natin dito yung laptop na I think 15 inches or 16 inches. Tapos yung malaking tissue. Yan. So, all of it. So that's the reason why I love big bag. That's it. Thank you. Thank you so much guys for watching my boring vlog. But anyways, if you have suggestions, kung anong vlog sa susunod, you can comment down below. Pero may meron din akong vlog next is, yung vlog ko next is, may mga favorite things ko na something sentimental to me. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.